everyone, welcome back to my channel and to a nice quick speed clean. Well, when I say quick, it wasn't really quick for me because as you can see the kitchen got quite messy. I'd had to sort out a couple of cupboards, and so that's why some bits are on top of the worktops. I cleaned the dog's cupboard, my letters cupboard, which is where we keep all our letters, and then the cupboards where I store a majority of my wax melts and perfumes and air fresheners had all been cleared out ready. So I start this video by emptying the washing machine. That was the third wash of the day being done, and yeah, someone gave me a great tip to dry the washing machine door and inside the rubbers before I actually close the doors. So I've started doing that to try and help the washing machine to stay cleaner. So I'm basically just going to tidy around and get rid of the bits on the worktop. I did purchase a new dog water bowl from HomeSense, and that's going into soak now in the utility sink because they put like sticky labels on and they are a nightmare to remove, so they need to be soaked in the water. But I love these water bowls, and I do get quite a few questions asking over the dog's water bowls on Instagram too, and they're £5.99 and I always pick mine up from HomeSense. To do the worst job that I hate, and that is shredding all the old letters and junk mail and stuff like that, but it's always safer to shred them. I leave my paper shredder in this clear cellophane bag because it stops all the paper dust from blowing off and leaving dust everywhere. It's just easier to leave it in that plastic bag, and that way no dust goes everywhere, and it gets stored next to the bin underneath the housing unit so it's not seen, and that's where I keep my paper shredder. Surfaces, I'm going to use Tesco's Eco Active cleaner, which smells absolutely lovely. The only thing I have to do when I use this cleaner is I have to dry the work surfaces off with a piece of kitchen roll just to get that nice shine on top of the work surfaces. Otherwise I feel like it does leave streaks on the tops, and that's even with just a very damp cloth. You know, it's not wringing wet, it's just damp, but it still leaves those marks. So I'll always use a piece of kitchen paper just to rub it over and give the worktops a lovely shine. cooked spaghetti bolognese the previous night, so that's why the cooker was marked, and those splashes of spag bol on the wall, but as you can see, just a cloth, and they wipe off perfect. They don't stain, it doesn't leave a mark, and all I used was the e-cloth just to wipe on the wall, and it just removed it with no stains. So that's why I don't have the back panel. What's it called? Is it like the splash panel? I don't know. That's why I don't have it tiled, because it's just so easy for me to wash. I think the paint on that wall is a kitchen silk paint of some sort, but it's perfect for me because it's easily washed, and it's easily washed on all the walls where the dogs may run in and stuff like that. So can you see my obsession with e-cloths? Oh my gosh, that drawer is overflowing with microfiber cloths and e-cloths and every other type of polishing cloth. Gosh, I need to sort that drawer out. I love these blinds. I get asked so many questions over these blinds, and they're called perfect fit blinds. They sit inside the door frame, and you literally just pull them up and push them back down. They're so easy to clean. They don't get in the way of the door handles or anything like that, and I highly recommend them. I had to laugh when I'm editing this video at my face, and the reason why I'm pulling that face is because I know flies and stuff like that have been flying on the windows, and for me to put my hands on it, it just creeps me out so much. So that's why I'm pulling faces when I'm cleaning the windows. But I don't look happy at all doing it, but I was. Definitely time for lunch. I think it was just after 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I'd spent all of the morning upstairs cleaning upstairs, which will be a video that you'll see on the weekend, sorting the wardrobe out and everything else, and I actually didn't realise the time, so I was so hungry, so I stopped for a quick lunch break and I had a nice ham salad, which was beautiful. And then obviously I fed the dogs also, and then they went into the garden to have a little run round, as you can see, and the weather's lovely, it's so nice. So they had a little play out for 15 minutes, that was our little break, and then I thought I'll film it and let you see the pooches running around the garden, and then it was straight back to work. floors, I'm using the Method Rhubarb Floor Cleaner, which is absolutely lovely, and I'm popping it into my Aircraft Power Glide, which is just an amazing floor cleaner. Honestly, I use this every single day, and it's my favourite. My absolute favourite cleaning gadget. It was gifted to me by Power Glide, as you all know, but I'd just like to let you all know that it was gifted, but it definitely is my favourite cleaning gadget. Honestly, these things are really, really good. I know they are expensive, but they are definitely worth the money.
At least until the fog is clearer. You ask what you did and not to fix it. You try to find a way and get forgiveness. The search for pain is close to an addiction.
And that's it, everyone. That's my nice quick speed clean of the downstairs of my home. All done. I really hope that you have enjoyed this video and it's motivated you and inspired you to have a nice clean around. Stay tuned for the weekend cleaning video, which is all the upstairs and a wardrobe sort out too. And I've also got some kitchen cupboard storage organisation videos coming up as well, so I've got quite a bit of cleaning content coming over the next few weeks, so stay tuned for all that. Don't forget to subscribe. Please give this video a thumbs up so I know that you've enjoyed it, and I will see you all in my next cleaning video. Have a fabulous day, everyone. I hope the sun's shining for you, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.